Hi, it's Ashley. I am going to show you a quick way to clean your counters in the kitchen. You can use any of these cleaners or any cleaners that mom or dad tell you is okay, and a rag. So first, we're going to spray the counters. Okay, then with your rag, just like when you wipe tables, you're going to wipe down your counter, your stove, going back and forth, making sure that you get all of the crumbs, all of the food. If you have lots of crumbs, you should grab your trash can and dump the crumbs into the trash so that way they don't end up on the floor. So I'm making sure that I get all of the food and dirt off. Really simple. Something simple you can do at home.